Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want to start off this video by saying that this might not be the video that I'm usually doing. It's gonna be a little bit different because I really want to dedicate this video to you. So this is not going to be a technical analysis video where I'm going to cover the charts. So if you're really just here for that, then this video might not be to you, as I really want this video to be dedicated to you. Because I do think I want to simply just take a moment to thank you guys for the amazing support that you've been giving me over the last 6 to 7 months. It's been just mind-blowingly the amount of positivity that has been surrounded in my environment over this last 6 7 months, and it's just been such an amazing journey. I really almost don't have words for it. Technical analysis and trading is just simply my passion, and to just see that I'm able to help people getting enthusiastic about it, also passionate about it, and also help gain those financial independent or reach their financial goals is just an amazing feeling to see that I'm able to help people. As you know, I just have a huge passion for trading, looking at charts. It's literally what I do all day. Finicking with order flow software, testing out new settings or new strategies, finicking with third-party software like management portals and everything like that. That's really where I'm in my comfort zone, and it's just such a blast, and that passion is just so great that I'm getting so excited about it when I find something out, that I just feel the urge simply to just talk about it. And it's basically just I love it. I just absolutely love it. It's one of these things. Ever since I started trading, when I stopped liking weekends as much as I did before. I just simply can't wait till it's Monday again, and that I simply can just go back to work. Because every day is so exciting. There's new opportunities coming, and I'm always just super excited to be out there, looking at the markets, looking at charts. It's my comfort zone, and where I'm literally the most happy and so passionate about. And also, it's just simply amazing that the financial freedom that I've been able to achieve with trading alone, and to be able to share what I know and the experiences that I've simply been going through, and focusing on that educational side of trading is really what makes me happy, and it's just to know that it can be helpful for people. Um, I want to give you one example. For last year, I've been to Mexico, and I was there in Mexico, and I met a person that I've never met in my entire life before. I've never seen this person, didn't know who he was, and this person came all the way to Mexico just to express his gratitude of how my teachings has literally changed that particular person's and his family's life completely for the better. And that single moment really made me realize that, wow, even if I can help, that's just such great news to me. Because if I'm able to help this, even if it's one person, to just get out of the rat race and change their life for the better, I realize that's just what gives me true fulfillment, really. Um, you know, and this, especially being crypto, um, I think it's just really rare to find genuine people, like real expert knowledge people that have a genuine passion to teach, and that have actually found success themselves. When I personally started out, it was just really, really difficult. Trading is simply just really not easy, and to be honest, it still can be. Sometimes I make it look like trading is easy, but you have to deal with so many things when you're trading. You still, every single day, after all, I am a human being. You still have to continue dealing with your emotions while being in a trade. And I just really think it's just sad that this space, it's such a great technology and a great industry with a lot of potential, but yeah, um, I don't know. It's just really sad to see that this space is just filled with so many people just out there for their own monetary gain, and hurting other people deliberately financially in the process. By simply just really doing unethical business practices like shilling altcoins, or I don't know, just like shady things, and or just simply like giving out, presenting themselves as like a technical analysis specialist or an expert, while they actually do like incorrect technical analysis. I've also been gone through that, and it's just mind blowing to see the amount of misinformation out there, which ultimately also sparked this what I'm doing is pretty much really like a counter reaction on on all of that. Um, so it's just insane, and um, you know by starting from I simply come from nothing myself. I don't come from money. I don't have rich parents, or I was not born into it. As a matter of fact, I just also had a day job when I just started trading. I literally started just with $500 trading. That was my starting capital as an initial investment, and um, I've done it myself, to the point where I simply became fully independent, and never pretty much have to worry about anything again, really. And having it done myself, literally with nothing at all, is something that I do believe that only in crypto is possible, because of the low entry barrier. But having it done myself, with simply nothing to start with to begin with, from scratch, I know it can be done. And if I can do it, then so can you, right? This is not meant to be like a motivational video, but I just wanted to take the time to just, talk a little bit about, just have a chat, really. And the thing is, I just love trading, and I said it before, I'm just simply really, really, really passionate about it. And but at some point, trading is also quite an isolated profession, because first of all, you have very little people probably around you that understand really what you're doing. Maybe especially if it's crypto, maybe they think like you're some hacker or some sort of doing something with computers. Like we've all been there, I suppose. And I think what I'm saying most likely resonates to you if you tell like somebody that you're starting to learn how to trade. There's a pretty low chance that really your direct environment really is starting to grasp what you're doing. They think you're a gambler, or that you're some sort of a hacker, or something like that. Um, and also in addition to that, like uh, it's a rough world out there. It's difficult, and you're pretty much out there on your own, and it's difficult to have people around you that are also on the same path and on the same journey. And for me, that has been the same. Even though I have been trading successfully for years now, I did find that feeling. I miss that feeling of fulfillment, of that I got when I was helping other people out as well. Um, just by trading on my own. And that is also originally the reason why I just started up this whole YouTube channel, without really a plan, to be honest. It originally, it was just to just reconnect with some of you that I've met throughout my own journey in trading, and just simply do some occasional live streams in some analysis. And that was really when something totally unexpected happened, to be honest. Because of that, because of those videos that I've been doing, and just the massive interest that was shown to me, I found a new focus, and also a new, well, new, not necessarily new, but a reignition um, of having that sense of purpose for myself, because that is really because of you guys. Because from the very first comment, literally, I have ever received on this YouTube channel, um, to all of you who are watching me now, and commenting, and getting in touch with me, whether that is through Twitter, through YouTube, or throughout the Discord community that we've got going on right now, you sparked that desire in me, and really made me remember what I come from, and ultimately what my purpose is here. It's obviously it's trading, right? Which means going into the market and extract your financial gain from it. But I'm also here to help better the space, and in give that, be that voice of reason with all the uninformed and uneducated influencers out there that I just disagree with heavily, because in the end that is all just marketing tactics and marketing tricks. Yes, that is my opinion. And simply just only out there for their own personal financial gain, shilling their links and products and everything like that. Sure, it's fine if you do that in a little bit. That's not a problem. It's part of, let's say, running a company or whatever, and that's completely fine. But to just put that misinformation out there, claiming that you're an expert in something when you actually are having absolutely no clue what you're doing. In my opinion, I'm just mind blown with how it can be that these kind of influencers are at the top of the food chain of the crypto space at the moment. It's just mind blowing. Anyway, don't really want to go too much into that subject, and probably this is nothing new to you. I've mentioned this before, of how I think about that, and in the end, what I want to say is, you guys have sparked a desire in me, made me remember where I come from, and I found back that very strong passion to keep providing insights to people that follow me, people that appreciate what I'm doing. And basically really everything that is going on right now is all because of you. All the competition that happened, this YouTube series that happened, and now even the community that emerged from that. It was not pre-planned per se. It all kind of just happened in succession of each other. It's all because of you guys, because of all the requests that I've got, like, hey Mike, can you do a Discord community, or can you do that? And that is ultimately how it grow. And that is, I think, why I want to dedicate this video to you guys, because without you guys this would never have been happening. Probably I would probably just be out there on my own, probably just trading, that's probably gonna would have been the alternative reality. And for me, really, to come to that realization, I just want to say, thank you so much, guys. It's just been really such a blast, and my motivation and passion is really stronger than ever, and it sparked literally just this whole new dimension of ideas. And that is why I really can guarantee you that while I'm incredibly humbled by all the support that you've been giving me, I will dedicate myself to trying to transmit that positivity with good quality, high quality knowledge, and show that together with you guys, let's just show the entire crypto space what we're made of. Like, let's just get educated, and let's just go for it. And I guess that's really what I wanted to say. I am also super much looking forward on the next half year. I think the crypto markets are in a very interesting place. I think we're gonna have a banger of a third and fourth quarter this year. We have been Bitcoin, for example, has been performing amazingly well, and overall crypto has been doing really well. And I think it's gonna be really big. What's gonna happen in the next 6 months? And I am here for it, and I hope that you are here for it, simply as well. And yeah, it's just such a blast. It's such a blast. And again, thank you guys. Let's just surround ourselves with positivity. Let's keep our head down. Let's keep on building, and let's just make this a good ride. And let's just really be prepared for when the real bull market is starting, when when everybody is gonna jump in, when we got all the new people coming in into the market, getting interested in crypto, and we're gonna be there. We have been keeping our heads up and just continue to push and to put in the work, to put in the screen time, so that we are prepared for that period to come. Yeah, and I think that is it was not my intention to make this video for this long. Really, I just really wanted to just get this message out there. So hope you appreciate it, and just looking very much forward to your comments below. Obviously, I will continue making these videos. I will do live streams every now and then. At some point, I will probably do a new YouTube concept of some sorts. And of course, we are now also having that day trading community going on, where I'm literally, I'm pushing out new content every day. I'm out there coaching people throughout the trading sessions all day, each and every weekday. And yeah, it's just an amazing spot that we have got going on there. And so with having all of that said, thank you ever so much. You guys make me really proud. Let's surround ourselves with positivity, block out the negativity, and focus on the goals that we've set to ourselves, and let's get there. And don't give up. Keep your head down. But how do you say that in English? It's not my native language, as you've noticed by now. Keep your chin up. Just continue to work. Falling is allowed, but just make sure you get up. In the end, what doesn't break you makes you stronger. And let's just crush it. Let's kick it, and let's just completely obliterate the charts for the next coming years to come. Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm here to stay. Having that said, have a great day. Hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'm looking forward already to what is gonna happen on Bitcoin next. But that will be in a different video. Have a good one, everybody. Cheers.